Hello all. Today I am going to discuss about DDL commands in SQL. The first command is create command. Create is used for creating a new table in a database. Syntax is create table, table name followed by the column names. I am defining three columns in the student table now. One is student ID, second column is student name, and third column is student location. I will execute this code in Oracle database for your purpose. So I have just connected to HR database. I'm just pasting the code. You can see again the same syntax, create table, table name, and column names, student ID, student name, student location. Integer is a data type defined for student ID column, and character of 50 is a data type defined for student name, and varchar of 50 data type is defined for student location. I'm just running this code by using the execute statement or function F9 in the keyboard. You can see now in the below, you can see a table has been created. To see the table, just use the keyword select star from table name. I'm just running the command. You can see below the student ID column has created student name and student location. Next one is alter command. Alter is used for altering the existing table structure. Previously, we have defined only three columns. The column names are student ID, student name, student location. Now, I'm going to add the fourth column to the table student, which is student mobile column. Syntax is alter table, table name, add column name followed by the data type. I'm just copying the code and I'm pasting it here. You can see I'm just running the code here. You can see the table is altered, which means student mobile column is added to the student table. For that, just execute the select star from student table. Now you can see there are four columns present in the student table: student ID, student name, student location. Now we have added student mobile column to the student table. Hope you got it. The next syntax in alter is I'm going to modify the data type of student name column. Previously, we have defined character of 50 is a data type for student name. Now I am going to modify it to varchar 2 of 50. So the syntax is same. Alter table, table name, modify is a keyword, and column name, which column you are going to change, and followed by the data type. I am just copying the code again. To see the changes for the student name column, I am just clicking the keyboard Control F9. You can see now, previously for student name, we have defined the data type as character of 50. In the second line, you can see this is a character of 50. Previously, we have defined. Now, I have changed the data type of the student name column using the alter command. Alter table, student, modify, student name is a column, and from character of 50 to varchar 2 of 50. You can see now the changes has been reflected here. Student name is a column and data type is varchar of 50. The next command is drop command. Drop is used for deleting the table permanently from the database using the syntax drop table table name, which means the table data deleted permanently. Currently, we don't have any data in the student table, right? Select star from student. You can see only the column names present. There is no data present here, right? So I'm just inserting few records for your purpose. Insert into table name, values. What are the column names? Student ID. I'm giving number as 1, and for student name I'm giving value as David, and for student location I'm giving value as Bangalore, and the student location is given. So we have also added the student mobile number. You just give some numbers, random numbers, and just close it and try to execute. Insert into table name is spelling mistake, student name. Insert into student table values, and you have to give the value for the particular columns. I'm running this code. You can see one row got inserted. So I'm going to insert a few more duplicates in the same table. Now I'm fetching the student table. Now you can see 4 rows are present in the table. Using this drop command, the table will get dropped. See now, drop table name. The syntax is simple, right? So I'm just running this code. Here the table got dropped. Now when you trying to fetch the student table, it will throw an error. Table or view does not exist. Since we have deleted the student table using drop command. So and again I am creating the same table in the database. I am just running the code. It's get table created. Also I'm adding the fourth column into the table, and and also I'm using the modify. I'm going to change the data type of the student name. Now I'm fetching the student table. Now you can see the 4 columns are present in the student table. So the next example in drop is I'm going to drop the student mobile column in the student table. We have added fourth column into the student table, right? I'm going to just dropping the student mobile number column in the student table using the alter command. Alter table, table name, drop column, the column name. Now I'm going to paste the code. See, alter table, table name, drop column, student mobile number. I'm just selecting the code and executing. You can see table altered. Now I'm trying to fetch that student table. You can see only 3 columns are present because student mobile column we have just dropped, right? So which means I'm dropping the column student mobile. So only 3 columns are present in the student table currently. The next command is rename command. Rename is used for renaming the table name or column name. For example, I'm renaming the student table to student details table. So the command is alter table table name rename to the new table name. Student is a old table name and student details is a new table name. So I'm just copying the code again. Now I'm pasting the code here. You can see alter table student rename to student details. Now I am executing the code. You can see in the student table, student ID, student name, student location. The next example is I'm going to rename the student name column to student full name using alter command. I'm just copying this code again. I'm going to Oracle database. I'm just pasting the code. The command is alter table. Table name is now student details. Rename column. The column name is student name to student full name. This is a new column name you have to give. Just run this code now. To see the changes, I'm just selecting the student details table. You can see the changes for student. Previously student name is a column name. Now it is changed to student full name using the alter command. The next example is truncate command. Truncate is used for delete the records in the table permanently using the truncate table name. I'm just copying the syntax and pasting it here. So since the table don't have any data currently, I'm going to insert a few records in the student details table. Okay, I have inserted few records. Now we can see the record present in the student table. 4 records. I'm going to use the truncate command, truncate table name. I'm going to execute, table got truncated, but still we can see the column names present in the student details table. Truncate is used for only deleting the records permanently, but drop table is used for delete the columns as well as data permanently in the database. The last command is comment. Comment is used for commenting the code in the database. For example, you can use double hyphen to disable this line. You can comment your code using the double hyphen here. In this line, what we are going to do is I am going to change the table name. See here, student table is changed to student details. So I am just giving command something to understand the code. I am going to change the table name. This is a single line command. The next one is multiple line command. Multiple line commands are used for disabling the multiple lines in your code. For example, I am going to disable the line from 2 using the slash star. It will ask the end line or else it will disable all the lines. So I am going to end the line in the 8th number using again star slash. It will disable the first 4 lines in the code. The remaining will still, it is in enable mode only. Thanks for watching this video.